From seed sowing to the baked product. Passion, craftsmanship, can these values also be smelled, tasted, and touched? We believe this is true. We stand for innovative design and the production of modern systems for the food industry that still respect traditional values. It all starts with sowing. Quick check, are the sowing spacings okay? Everything is perfect, even the seeding depth is correct. After just a few days, an astonishing transformation begins in the soil. After just 2 weeks, you can see the first green leaves in the field. Now the plants are really starting to sprout. To do this, they need as much sun as possible, especially in spring and early summer to generate energy for growth, but also sufficient water, especially during the grain filling phase. Flour formation, for example in wheat, is a complex process that begins about 3 to 5 days after the ears have fully appeared. Now the ovule grows into a seed. In our case, the grain of wheat. Over time, the plants gradually lose their green color and dry out. Now it's time for the harvest. We are already in the mill and the wheat grain is turning into flour. Of course, it's not that quick and easy. More on that in a separate post soon. After the mill and before the main dough, we join the cycle of life. In this context, we recommend our compact systems for the preliminary stages of roasting and cooking as well as poolish or pre-dough. For example, with a lifting function for optimal emptying and cleaning of the tank unit. If you are more inclined towards automation, we also have innovative solutions for you in this area in our service portfolio. Perfect storage, feeding, processing or mixing of your raw materials are the requirements for our products. The goal? Main doughs whose flavor development, combined with freshness, is significantly improved by the proportional addition of precursors such as pre-doughs or cooking pieces. Other advantages? Stretchy doughs with optimal crust properties. Usher also in a new era of modern and sustainable dough production in your bakery, with longer freshness and more intense flavor experiences. The path to truly great bread is as simple as it is compelling. High-quality ingredients, carefully crafted recipes, attention to the dough, and bakers who know their craft. We offer you the right tools with our poolish and pre-dough machines, as well as our roasting and cooking systems. Summary: we encounter wheat in a wide variety of variations every day. We help you optimize these variations. We're happy to answer any questions you may have. Your MB Components team.